Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Ghost character in Call of Duty Mobile. Ghost is a fan-favorite operator, known for his iconic skull mask and mysterious persona. Many players want to add him to their collection. Fortunately, there are several reliable ways to acquire different Ghost skins within the game. Let's dive into the details and discover how you can unlock this legendary character for your loadout. One of the easiest ways to get a Ghost skin is by linking your game account. Simply connect your Call of Duty mobile profile to an Activision, Facebook, or Google account. After successfully linking, navigate to your in-game mailbox. You should find a special reward message there. Claim the Ghost Stealth skin, a classic variant, absolutely free. This is a straightforward method for all players. Another common way to acquire Ghost is through the Battle Pass. Many seasons feature a Ghost skin as a premium reward, usually at a specific tier. You'll need to purchase the Battle Pass and play to unlock it. Additionally, keep an eye on the in-game store for special bundles or lucky draws. These often offer various Ghost skins for direct purchase or through a chance-based system using Call of Duty points. Finally, special in-game events and promotions are excellent opportunities to get Ghost. Developers frequently introduce limited-time challenges or daily login rewards that include Ghost skins. Always check the Events tab in your game for current offerings. Some events might require completing specific tasks, while others simply reward you for consistent logins over several days. Stay active to maximize your chances.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.